I want to talk about how you can heal a third-party situation in your twin flame union. So if you've came across this video, keep watching because you are meant to see this. This message is for you, and this is really, really powerful information that is going to help you skyrocket your ascension journey, heal separation, heal your third-party situation, and come into harmonious union with your twin flame. My name is Hannah, and I'm a student of Twin Flames Universe, and I am here to share with you what I have learned on how you can heal a third-party situation in your twin flame union permanently and for good. So the truth of this situation may feel a lot bigger than what it actually is. First of all, when you're experiencing this in your union, I want you to know first and foremost that this is only an illusion. It is not real, and this relationship is only showing up in your reality so that you can heal and so that you can come closer to yourself, closer to your relationship with the universe, with God, and inevitably come closer to your twin flame. Take that as a little piece of relief, a piece of peace, if you will, and know that this situation is only temporary and you are going to get through this. If you apply this process that I'm about to share with you, you will easily move through this third-party situation. So when your twin flame is with another, they are reflecting something to you. Because your twin flame is you, they are the other half of your soul. You're either the divine masculine or the divine feminine. When your twin flame is doing something that is bugging you or triggering you, or if they're not being with you and choosing to be with someone else, this is just showing you that there's a part of you that is not choosing to be with yourself. And so you can easily heal this by making some decisions to move away from not choosing yourself to being with yourself. And you can do this by using the mirror exercise, which I will talk about at the end of this video. But a few things to know when you're experiencing a third-party situation is that your twin flame, like I said, is seeking outside of themselves for love, for companionship. And so you may be seeking outside of yourself for love and companionship and placing maybe your worth or your value in your twin flame and what they are showing you. And so you do not need to do that. You can just sit back and begin to experience and focus on yourself, your own life experience. And so when your twin flame is with another person, they typically think this is you. They think that they are with their twin flame, or else they wouldn't want to be with this person. And so a lot of times they may have the same qualities as you, the third party. They may even look like you. And this is just because your twin flame is looking for you, but they aren't necessarily ready to face your full union. Because another point with this is that when your twin flame is choosing someone else, that means that you are not choosing to be with yourself. So you're not ready to fully face yourself and fully be in union with yourself. And so they're reflecting that to you by not choosing to be with you. And so, like I said, you can heal this really easily with the tool called the mirror exercise. And this is a 4-step process that you break down what's going on in your reality, because we know our reality is a reflection of our internal state of mind, our internal feeling. And so we're attracting situations and scenarios to us that we're expecting to happen, or that we feel we deserve that is going to happen. And so we can switch this, we can heal our consciousness by using this tool. And this works very well for a third party or a karmic situation. And so what you do with the mirror exercise is you can grab a pen and a pad of paper and write this out. And it's 4 steps. Step 1. Step 1 is where you project. This is where you say, I'm upset with my twin flame because they are not choosing to be with me. Where you really clearly state the upset in your reality and you put it down on paper of what is happening, what is triggering you. Step 2 is where you're going to flip it around and point the pronouns and nouns back to yourself. And you're going to say, I'm upset with myself because I am not choosing to be with myself. Step 3 is where you're going to ask yourself, is there any truth to this? And a little tip with this step is that the answer is always going to be yes. Because if you're attracting something in your reality and it's upsetting you, it's triggering you, you know, there's truth to that. There's a part of you inside of yourself that is attracting this, and it's the part of you that is not choosing to be with yourself. And so this is where you say, yes, I can see that part of me. And step 4 is where you connect with that part of you. You connect with the part of you that maybe is choosing others over yourself, choosing to place your happiness and place your worth on an external scenario in your life. And so connect with this part of you and really be with it, sit with it, feel into it, experience the emotions that it's feeling. And as you do this, this is the next phase of step 4, is where you're going to give this part of you the love that it needs, because really all you need to heal this is your own self-love. All you need to heal your third party situation, your karmic situation, is self-love. And so in step 4, you ask it, what do you need to feel loved? And you give this part of yourself love, compassion, peace, whatever comes up for you, commitment, presence, attention, whatever comes up in this part of you that they need, you give that to yourself. And you do this until you begin to feel complete and peaceful. And once you feel peaceful and complete on your own, this is when you've completed the exercise and you bring this part of you home. This is one of the most important parts of this exercise, is that you bring that part of you home and mount them into your heart and make them one with you. And once you do this, you've completed the healing, and either the situation is going to fall out of your reality or it's no longer going to trigger you. And so this was for a third party situation. So as you continue to do this and work through the steps of the mirror exercise, they are going to leave the third party situation and begin to desire to be with you, because your twin flame wants to be with the loving you, the joyful you, the peaceful you. And the anxious, overwhelmed, obsessive parts of you are what need healed in order for you to be in union. And so when you're loving yourself, this is what attracts your twin flame. This is what allows for the illusions of the ego, like a third party situation, to fall away, and for the truth of love to be revealed, and for your union to come together. So this is really a very simple process. This is what you can do to heal a third party situation in your twin flame union. Yeah, it works every single time for every single person, and all you need to do is stick with it. Continue to do the exercise again and again and again and again until the third party falls away and you are with your twin flame. And nothing on the outside matters. It's all about what you're feeling on the inside. So trust yourself. If you're seeing this video, you are meant to be seeing this video, and this video is going to help you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you liked it, give it a like, and feel free to subscribe for all twin flame ascension and healing content. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.